Lesson 5, Major Domains of Earth. First question is, lithos, atmos, hooder, bios are the words taken from A. Latin, B. Greek. The correct answer is B. Greek. Now, the solid portion of Earth on which we live is A. Lithosphere, B. Hydrosphere, C. Atmosphere, D. Troposphere. Here we can see they asked a question of what is a solid portion. Solid means here we can litho means stone, it is solid. Atmosphere is related to air, hydrosphere is related to water, and what is troposphere? Troposphere is one of the layer in atmosphere. Okay, now the correct answer is option A, it is lithosphere. And now coming to the third question, the gaseous layers that surround Earth is A. Lithosphere, B. Atmosphere, C. Hydrosphere, and D. Troposphere. We know that surrounds the Earth is atmosphere. Troposphere is a layer of atmosphere. Okay. And now fourth question is, the large area covered by water is A. Lithosphere, B. Atmosphere, C. Hydrosphere. The correct answer is C. Hydrosphere. Now, Alps mountains are in A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe, and D. Australia. The correct answer is C. Europe. Alps mountain is an example of these Alps mountains are examples of new fold mountains. Okay. And now the narrow zone where we find land, water, air together is A. Biosphere, B. Hydrosphere, C. Atmosphere, and D. Lithosphere. The correct answer is B. Biosphere. Sorry, A. Biosphere. All these three, land, water, and air, live to meet together on biosphere, and that is termed as biosphere. Seventh question, statement 1, level of sea water remains same. Statement 2, continents are large land masses. Statement number 3, huge water bodies are ocean bodies. Option A 1 and 2 are correct, option B 1 is correct, option C 2 is correct, and option D 1, 2, 3 is correct. The correct answer is option D. All the statements are correct. Now coming to 8th question, Rocky and Appalachian mountains are in option A North America, option B South America, option C Africa, and option D Europe. The correct answer is North America. Now Andes mountains are in option A North America, option B South America. The correct answer is South America. Now Atlas and Drakensberg mountains are in option A Africa, option B Asia, option A and B, option C A and B, and option D none. The correct answer for this is Africa. Here, which are the mountain ranges found in North America? It is Rocky Mountains and Appalachian Mountains. Africa, it is Atlas and Drakensberg Mountains. In Europe, we can find Alps and as well as Ural Mountains. In South America, we find Andes Mountains. North America, Rocky and Appalachian Mountains. And next coming to 11th question, Ural Mountains divide A. North America and South America, B. Asia and Europe, C. Africa and Europe, D. Africa and Asia. The correct answer for this is Asia and Europe. It divides Asia and Europe. And the land mass, narrow land mass which joins North America and South America are Isthmus of Panama. Now 12th question, Great Dividing Range is in A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Australia, D. South America. Great Dividing Range is in Australia. And what are the mountains found in Africa? It is Atlas and Drakensberg. Asia we have Himalayas and Ural Mountains. In South America we have Andes Mountains. And now 13th question is, deepest Mariana Trench is located on A. Pacific Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, D. none. The correct answer is A. Pacific Ocean. Now, 14th question. Through which continent equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes? Asia, B. Europe, C. Australia, option A Asia, option B Africa, option C Australia, and option D Europe. The correct answer for this is option B Africa. Africa is also called a dark continent. And what passes through Asia? Only Tropic of Cancer passes through Asia, and Tropic of Capricorn passes through Australia. Arctic Circle passes through Europe. No, actually, yeah. 15th question is Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus of Panama, option A connects two water bodies, option B connects two land bodies. The correct answer is option B connects two land bodies. And what connects two water bodies? It is strait. We can see Bering Strait is a channel which connects Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And we have also Park Strait in our below India, that connects Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. And now coming to 16th question, longest river is option A Nile, option B Amazon. The correct answer is option A Nile. Amazon is the largest river and is located in South America. Nile is in Africa. Now 17th question, largest river is option A Nile, option B Amazon. The correct answer is Amazon. Amazon also forms one of the largest deltas in the world. And now 18th question, largest desert is A Thar Desert, B Sahara Desert, C A and B, D none. The correct answer is B Sahara Desert, and Sahara Desert is located in Africa. And this Sahara Desert is surrounded by 12 countries. We'll learn about that later. And now Thar Desert is in India. Now 19th question, longest mountain range is A Atlas, B Alps, C Andes, and D Ural. The correct answer is Alps mountain ranges. Andes mountain ranges are longest mountain ranges, and these are located in South America. And now island continent is A Antarctica, B Australia, C Asia, D Africa. The correct answer is Australia. Look at this map. See, it is surrounded by all sides water, and that is the reason this continent is called island continent. And also this is the smallest continent. And now 21st question, ozone is present in which layer? Option A troposphere, option B stratosphere, option C mesosphere, option D exosphere. The correct answer is option D stratosphere. This question was asked in UPSC prelims examination. And now 22nd question, northern hemisphere is also known as A water hemisphere, B land hemisphere, C biosphere, D none. See, in the northern hemisphere we have the majority of the land surface. Okay, for that reason northern hemisphere is also called land hemisphere. And now coming to 23rd question, the smallest continent is option A Africa, option B Asia, option C North America, and option D Australia. I have discussed now the smallest continent is Australia, and Australia is also called island continent. And coming to 24th question, largest continent is A Africa, B Asia, C North America. The largest continent is Asia, and the second largest is Africa, and third largest is North America. Smallest or the seventh largest continent is Australia. And now coming to 25th question, major constituent of atmosphere is option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C phosphorus, and option D carbon dioxide. Here oxygen gives life, nitrogen is helpful for growth of living organisms, and carbon dioxide is the gas which protects and or which keeps the earth's surface warm. And here nitrogen is 79%, oxygen is 21%. So the correct answer is nitrogen. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.